Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining us today for our Document Filters 22.3 features preview. I'm Nabeed, the product owner. Let's get started. So I'll quickly go over the highlights we'll be discussing during this video. We'll start out with the additional format support, enhanced PDF redacting support, URLs inline for text mode, and placeholder for EMF in text mode. So these are some of the additional formats that we've added support for in this release. There's Apple Pages 2009, AutoCAD 2018+, Adobe Photoshop Large document format, and Self-Extracting Archive EXEs. So Apple Pages 2009 was a big one for us, and we're looking to continue adding other Apple iWorks 2009 formats in future releases. So let's discuss our enhanced PDF redacting support a bit. I'll give a little background on PDFs and redactions to help shed some light to what went into this. So PDFs are vector-based formats, which means that they store instructions instead of pixels, which is what images are comprised of. They're also built from multiple layers, which makes them not that straightforward to work with. So when certain products redact PDFs, they're not always doing it correctly, and may just be placing an image of a black box on the PDF. This leaves the underlying information actually still in the PDF. Or they may just be converting the entire PDF to an image, which removes the functionality that a PDF provides. There have actually been major information leaks that you could probably find online due to PDFs not being redacted correctly. So just to sum that up, just because something is not visible does not mean that it was actually deleted. Now let's assume that we're not just placing a black box on top of the PDF and are redacting it correctly. But what does correct actually mean? So PDFs are complex and can be built in many different ways. They can be rotated, have matrix transformations, and even have object reuse, where the same object is reused multiple times. All of these cases can impact if a PDF is redacted correctly. This is an example of a different library that is not document filters that is redacting incorrectly. So the document is created using object reuse, and the library is applying the redaction to all of the objects, not just where the user placed the redaction. This is an example of document filters, where we will redact the PDF only where the user actually chose to have it redacted. This functionality is made available using the PDF Preserve Original option, with more information available in the documentation. The URLs inline for text mode. So we've had customers ask us to provide the URL of links in place, as in exactly where the link is actually located, instead of at the end of the document. We're now providing this for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents using the new Text Inline Links option. As you can see in the screenshot on the left, without the option enabled, you'll see our previous behavior where we insert the text link where the URL is located, and then place the URLs at the end of the document. In the screenshot on the right, with the option enabled, you'll see the URLs actually in line with the rest of the document. Next up is our new functionality of providing a placeholder for EMF files in text mode. We now have the ability to extract text from EMF and WMF files. The first two screenshots are the original WMF file and the text extracted from it. So this is available by default, and no additional options are required for this. The third screenshot shows the embedded EMF file in a Word document with the Show Hidden option enabled. You can see that we're now indicating that there's actually an embedded image and providing the file name to allow for extraction of that image. So that's all we had for this video. Please check out our blog post for more information on this release and our documentation on how to implement this functionality. Thanks for watching.